is a 2011 TCM forklift. The model is an FCG25-4HL. TCM merged with Nissan, became unicarriers. This is a 5,000 pound base capacity forklift. Runs on propane fuel. Uses the popular Nissan K21L engine. It's the same Nissan engine found in all newer Nissan forklifts made after 2005, or at least one of the major ones used in them. Has an automatic transmission, forward, neutral, reverse, a backup alarm, cushion tires, good for use on solid surfaces, indoors or outdoors. The mast is a 3-stage mast. Has a 189-inch maximum lift height. It's good for high lifting. It's just over 15.5 feet. It has 42-inch long forks. Mast has tilt function forward and back. It also has sideshifter attachment to move the fork carriage side to side. This forklift's been fully serviced and is ready to work.